Greetings, everyone. I hope the day finds you well. You know, years ago, if you wanted to be an entrepreneur, you had to have the financial wherewithal to rent or buy a storefront. But now, everyone could be an entrepreneur from right behind their very own laptop. But how do you sift through all the nonsense? Like, what's great? What's not? How do you hype your product? How do you learn how to use all this brand new software? Well, today's video, you have a product you want to hype? You want to make a stellar professional looking video? Well, check out our tutelage today talking about a website called Fliki. Check it out.
To log in or set up an account, you can either use Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, or your email. I am going to use Gmail and select a product from Amazon to use for our video. As I mentioned, I am going to connect with Google. I am going to then create a new file, call it testing. I am going to choose product for what I want to start with. I am going to select portrait for the type. I am going to paste the URL for my Amazon product. You can also use Airbnb. I'm going to select a template from the group that they have here. I am going to then submit.
Speaker, sold by Zelfar. Experience powerful, distortion-free sound with our portable Bluetooth speaker featuring 25W Super Bass. Enjoy immersive stereo sound by pairing two speakers via Bluetooth for double the volume. With IPX7 waterproof protection, this speaker withstands rain, spills, and even submersion. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a 100 feet range and up to 24 hours of playtime per charge. Enhance your party with multicolor flashing lights that sync to the beat of your music. Included are a Type-C charging cable, quick start guide, and lifetime technical support. Perfect for outdoor adventures, home use, or gifting, this speaker delivers crystal clear music. Rated 4.5 stars. Order today for $29.97.
As you can see, simply amazing. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.